Welcome to the first episode in a series that will teach you how to type documents in MS Word like a pro. In this episode, you will learn how to type and how to change fonts. After watching this episode, you should be complete pros in typing and changing fonts. This is how you type. This is how to change fonts. I understand that it may be very complicated at first, but practice makes perfect, and if you practice enough, it will eventually become very easy. Maybe at first, you will try to make the text bold and accidentally make it italic, but practice makes perfect. If you don't manage, you can just hand in blank pages and say you have used a white font. Changing the font color to white is great also if you are complete pros, because your friends will think that you have deleted everything. But then they will see many red lines that show that they have made spelling mistakes because they probably can't spell. But if they can spell, you can just add a random letter in the middle of every fifth word. Just don't be too evil. If you add a random letter and see that you have accidentally stumbled upon a word that exists, either change that letter or skip that word. But in order to be able to prank your friends like that, you must be a pro, and to be a pro, you need to practice. I am typing some practice problems on the screen. Please do all of them. It will only improve your skills and make you closer to the goal of being a professional MS Word typer. I understand that those problems may seem stupid, but it is very important that you know the basics, otherwise you won't be able to proceed anywhere. You can't be a professional Microsoft Word typer if you can't type or change fonts. Never underestimate the power of typing and changing fonts. Everything else is less important. You might say to yourself, but I already know to type and change fonts, why should I practice this? For those types of questions, I have 3 answers. 1. Why are not you thinking about the people that can't type and or can't change fonts? 2. Even if you know this, it won't hurt to practice some more. And 3. If you already know everything, why are you watching this? If the first 2 answers didn't change your mind, then you should either change your attitude or find something better to do than to watch videos teaching you how to do stuff that you already know to do. If you know everything, go and make your own tutorials and teach other people. Just please won't leave hateful comments in the comments section of this video. After learning how to type, you can like this video and type in the comments, "This is a great video. It taught me how to type." Typing in the comments isn't very different from typing in Microsoft Word. If you still think this video is stupid, then go on and make your own Microsoft Word tutorial that won't be stupid. For those of you that don't think that it's stupid, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. If you didn't like, then like and subscribe anyways, and never underestimate the power of subscribing to SQDSWQDWDQ. As of recording this video, there are only 3 subscribers. But I expect that by next year there will be 3 billion subscribers. I hope you enjoyed this very short tutorial, and next episode you will learn to draw shapes in Microsoft Word. But please don't exit from the video before you solve all the practice problems.